Direct supply of beverage vending machines from original manufacturer. Panoramic tempered glass display window. Built-in LED lighting. For clear visibility of all beverages. Full machine customization and OEM branding available. Supports full range of payment methods. Touch screen. QR scan. Card swiping and cash banknotes. Anti-jam stable spiral delivery chutes. Energy-saving and reliable refrigeration system. Single-unit standalone or multi-unit parallel expansion supported. Bulk shipments for overseas supermarkets, subway stations and campuses. Full machine warranty and worry-free after-sales service.